Hello friends, I hope you are fine and thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. Today I will about discuss about WordPress versus Blogger, which one is better, pros and cons. Are you planning to start a new blog? Not sure whether you should use WordPress or Blogger as your blog platform? Well, we can help. WordPress and Blogger are the two most popular blogging platforms on the internet. They both let you create a blog easily, however, they work quite differently and each has specific pros and cons. In this article, we will compare Blogger versus WordPress side by side and show you the differences that matter. Our goal is to help you decide which is better platform for your needs. WordPress versus bloggers. What to look for in your blog platform. Before we begin our WordPress versus Blogger comparison, let's cover some important setting things to look for when choosing a blog platform. Point number one, ease of use. You need a simple and easy to use platform to quickly set up your blog, add content and grow your audience. Point number two, flexibility. You need a platform that lets you add more features or use more resources as your blog grows. Point number three, monetization option. Do you want to make money online with your blog? If yes, then you need to choose a platform which has plenty of monetization options. Point number 5. Point number 4, sports. You may need sports while creating your blog, designing or managing it. If you get stuck or have questions, you will want to get help as quickly and easily as possible. Aside from the above, you also need to consider platform costs, available designs option, SEO optimization, features for traffic and more. What that said, let's compare how WordPress and Blogger stack up against these requirements. Table of contents, WordPress versus Blogger. Since this is a detailed compression, please use the quick link below to jump straight to different parts of the article. Overview. WordPress versus Blogger is of user ownership, control, design option, security, sport, feature, portability, pricing. Conclusion. Blogger versus WordPress, which one is better? Note: this comparison is between self-hosted WordPress and Blogger, not WordPress.com versus Blogger. See your guide on the differences between self-hosted WordPress versus WordPress.com. Overview WordPress bloggers. As we mentioned above, WordPress and Blogger are the two most widely used blog management platform in the world. According to blog technology use states states from built with WordPress is the one most popular blog software. It's used by above 38% of all sites in the top 1 million sites, and by an astonishing 95% of all the blog among these sites. The same report show Blogger as the second most popular platform used by above 1% of the blogs in the top 1 million sites. We also compared the search terms WordPress and bloggers in Google Trends trend to see the interest over time for each. As shown in the screenshot above, WordPress steadily rose to popularity, beating Blogger by 2005. It's still much more popular today. What is WordPress? WordPress WordPress is free open source software that allow you to easily create a website, blog, or an online store. Standard in 203, WordPress new power more than 38% of website on the internet. You you can download it the WordPress software for free and use it on as many sites as you want. To create a blog in WordPress, you will need to buy a hosting plans and a domain name so you can install WordPress. It sounds a bit complex at first, however, it is pretty simple with tons of user-friendly tutorials on WPG, WP Beginner, and other sites. Our team can even set up your WordPress blog for free. Learn more about our free blog setup service. What is Blogger? So guys, this video very interested, and so guys, end this video today, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye and take care.